Some of my students have been asking how to create group कैसे बनाएं. So now I'm going to share with you how you can actually create group on this one. So it's very simple. You have to simply click this plus button, and there is add partner and group chat. If you would like to make a group, simply you have to add some of your like friends that you already have. You can see these are all my friends. Suppose I'm going to add 1 2 3 4, all right, 5. I have added all of these 5, and now I'm going to simply click OK. Once I have click OK, now I'm going to able to chat together. This is my group. You can see that it's not very hard to do this. It's pretty good. Simply you have to talk with all of them. So you can write, hey, hello, how are you? तो इतना difficult नहीं है, बहुत easy है. Simply you can do that. Or another thing, you can see now your group is already created. You can see that I put it in draft, only this how are you, and I'm going to back. You can see Ne, Nicole, Maya, all are in group. So this is same like this is already is created here, it's written. So creating group on hellotalk is not difficult. This is simple way I have showed you. The second thing, when you want to say add partner is a little bit different. You have to write about hellotalk id, the partner's id, but it's very simple. If you already have friends, go to group chat here simply and find partner, or even also you can search names here, simply names, of course. So this is not very hard or difficult thing. Thank you, and if you have any other question, feel free to message me.